Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a vintage refrigerator using Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x2 plate. I'm going to place a 1x4 plate right on the top studs where they're hanging over on both sides by one stud. Then set down a pair of 1x2 plate with slide. This is going to be the bottom section of our refrigerator. On the left, a 2x2 plate. In the upper right, a 1x2 plate. Set down a 1x2 hinge plate right in the 1x2 opening and a 1x2 flat tile right here in the front. In the back, a 1x2x2 wall element, and along the sides we're going to stack a set of 1x2 bricks on top of one another. I want to make two of these and place these on both sides. In the upper left hand corner, a 2x2 plate and a 1x2 plate in the upper right hand corner. Let's start the door with a 1x1 Technic brick. Let's take an ice skate. Now I want to note the orientation of the skate with the stub right here. I'm going to place the skate inside the Technic brick. Just press that down. Then I'm going to set a 1x1 brick on top. Make sure that's all lined up. And I'm going to set this all on top of a 1x2 plate. Then we're going to proceed on with a 1x2x2 wall element. Set that there. Then I'm going to lock this together with a 1x2 plate. In this 1x1 area, a 1x2 hinge plate, and I want to lock all that together with a 1x2 plate and a 1x4 by 2/3 plate with bow. Then we're going to take a set of 1x1 bricks. Let's place these right in this area to finish the door. Let's take our door assembly. We're going to place this right here. Let's test it, make sure it opens up. It does. On the top, a 2x2 plate and a 2x2 jumper plate that likes to fly out of my hand. And along the sides, a pair of 1x2 by 2/3 slopes. Place those right there. And for the coils, we're going to take a stud, place it on the top of the jumper plate, and 3 2x2 parabola dishes. This will simulate the coils on the top. And yes, that's how they made them back in the days. And a round 1x1 flat tile right here. Now we're going to put some legs on the bottom. So I'm going to start with a set of 1x1 bricks. Place these right here and set a 1x1 downwards tooth. Place these right here, right underneath the track pieces. That's why I use the track pieces to kind of bump the front out just a bit. Looks pretty good for a vintage refrigerator.